All of you, hope you guys are great. So first of all, I want to thank each one of you for giving me your valuable time, valuable attentions, and the way you guys have followed me since the beginning, helping me learning in my web3 development, all the ideas, all the suggestion. I really want to thank for each and everything you guys have done for me. As you already know that I have been working on my personal project for the last 4 months, and finally today we have completed the project and the project is live. Many of you guys have also contributed in this project. Many of you guys have given me the suggestion that what are the functionality we should include, how we can bring web3 developers at one centralized place and build a better community where we can help each other and learn from each other. The only motive I have for the blockchain coders to build a web3 community. In this project we're going to bring industry expert. They're going to provide you live classes, they're going to provide you personal mentorship, they're going to provide you web3 courses. So it will be dedicated to the web3 community. So this is one of my dream project which I have been thinking for a quite long to work on, and many of you guys have guided me, many of you guys have supported me, and many of you guys have given me enough confidence to work on this project. So finally here I'm launching it. So I do want your support, guys, to be honest. Without your support it's not possible for me to grow. We can't do it alone. I need your support. So the way you guys have supported me in this channel, do support me in that channel as well. Go and check out the website, that what are the courses we have in that, what are the resources we have provided. So please subscribe to this channel as well, leave your comment, guide us, go and check and give your suggestion that what improvement we can break. You guys have already helped me a lot, so I really need your support. That's why I'm making this video, to let you know that this is one of my dream project which I have worked on and I need your support. So please support that channel as well. Visit the website, check the resources. Very soon we're going to bring the industry experts and many of you will contribute in this project. So no matter how much you know about the web3 or blockchain technology, so if you are good in the theoretical concept or if you are good in with the technological part, the development sides, what I want is to show your knowledge, and this is the platform in which will allow the developers, the newbie developers, the advanced developers to come and show your skills, and that will have the industry expert. If they like your work, they can hire you directly. So it's going to be an open platform where you can contribute your work and you can get recognized. So many of you are asking me that how to get job in web3 space. So that's the motive I have, to bring all the web3 developers, all the web3 expert in a one centralized place where we can get the job. In terms of if anybody is looking for a developer, they can get the developer, or if anybody is looking for a teaching others, they can teach their skills to others. So that's the motive I have for this project. So I really need your support. Do subscribe to the channel, go and check the website, and if you're new to my channel, hit this subscribe as well and that as well. So that's the only thing I want to tell you guys. Know that what improvement we can make, and do give you comment yes that the website is good and you have subscribed, and give your name. I really want to see your name and that subscribe. Thanks a lot for everything you guys have done so far. See you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.